You're going to do Snow White, Cinderella, and Ariel puzzle?
Mm-hmm.
All by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, now, I have you do this one first, if I have to.
Okay.
And this one is fit on her head right here. And this one is fit on her eye right here. The sun. Here it is. I found it. This piece. That piece doesn't fit. I got this one. This one fit. Wait.
Very good.
Here's twin. Here's her.
Push on it hard. Make sure it clicks. Good job.
Here's one. Here's a piece.
What's that piece?
The hair.
Oh. Very good, Haven.
Here's your hair.
Wow, Ariel has long hair.
Mm-hmm. He does have young hair. But he has young hair like Ariel too. He has hair too.
Mm-hmm. That's her what, Haven?
Her eye.
Oh, okay. Good job.
I saw Snow White at Disney.
You saw Snow White at Disney?
Uh-huh.
Where was Snow White at?
In the castle.
Uh-huh. Very good.
Here's one.
Haven, talk to me. Tell me what you're doing.
I'm doing my puzzle.
I know. You're doing really good, too.
That doesn't fit right there.
That doesn't fit right there.
The piece. I found this piece fits right here.
Good job.
And this piece.
You great job.
And this one's right there. And this one fits right here.
Wow.
Where's the big one? I found the big one. See, that's the big one.
Oh.
That's the big puzzle one. Wow, this puzzle is really hard.
It's really hard. You look like it's going really easy for you.
Will you put this on here?
How about you do it? Can you do it?
No,
You can't connect it?
No, I can't do it.
Why?
Because
You put all those other pieces together. Can you connect it? Just pick it up real slowly and place the ones in the puzzle piece. There you go. See? Oh, Haven, you did it.
Dad's gonna be so happy.
Oh, yeah, he is. He's going to tell you he's so proud of you. You got some more to do. How many pieces you got left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's this piece fit? Oh, right here or something. No. Perfect.
Wow.
Perfect. No. What? That. No, let's do it again.
Oh, you did it. Let me take a picture. Hold on, let me see. You did that all by yourself?
Can I do it again?
Oh, that's cool, Haven.
Let's do it again.
You want to do it again?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching me.
Say it again. Say it better than that.
Thank you for watching me.
You're welcome. I love you.